Hello guys, we are here at Junction City with Guaranty RV. Today we're looking at a 242 bunkhouse from Jayco. It's going to be a Jay Flight Rocky Mountain edition, which is going to give you the front power tongue jack, 2 5-gallon tanks, and 2 batteries behind that. And then you will get a solar prep down here. And then on to the side, we're going to get a pass-through that will go all the way through it. And then we're going to get 2 marine grade speakers up top on the awning with an LED strip all the way down. Nice little grab handle, little mount for your outside TV, little plugins for your cable satellite hookups, and then your outdoor kitchen and grill. So when you're out there, you can actually cook and be comfortable. And then a little fridge as well. And then onto the back, you're gonna get a ladder to actually access the roof, maintain it, your little plug-in for your power, and then a pre-wired for a backup monitor with your spare tire. Then onto your side, it's going to be another cable satellite hookups at your park, your gray and black tanks, and then you do have an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. Now this trailer is going to weigh about 5,800 pounds dry. And then your other side of the pass-through. I really like this unit. Just for a smaller trailer, you actually have a kind of private room for the adults. Both sides do close. The windows do open up on both sides to give you a nice kind of cross breeze. Your dinette is going to be a U-shape, so you can actually get more than 2 people there. And it does drop down into basically a bed. You do have storage underneath as well. A bunch more storage here. And then into the bathroom is going to be a nice open bathroom where you can actually stand up, move around. And if you're someone taller, like 6 foot, 6'2", you can actually get into it. Twin size beds. You do have little plugins here as well for USBs to charge your phone or computer. Good size fridge. You do get an oven to cook. A 3 stove burner, nice little size microwave. And pretty much this is a Jayco Bunkhouse 242. Now, if you do have any other questions, please give me a call at 541-232-4465. Thank you guys, I'm JD.